I'm Afroz Akhtar, science teacher. I'm working for National English School, Chittagong. Today I want to discuss about the Earth, Sun, Moon and Star. You know, all the children, you know what is Earth, what is Sun and what is Moon. But I want to make it easier how they travel around each other. First of all, I want to show you the Earth. This is the Earth we live on. It's look like a big ball. Sun always slowly moving round and round. Look at here. When I tap the sun, it's moving round and round slowly with its own axis. Axis means its own path. When the earth round and round, once it takes a whole day. When the earth round and round into the sun, it takes a whole year. Now I show you how the day and night occurs. Look here, the earth is round. When which country face to the sun, it's a daytime. In the back, it's not facing the sun, it's a night time. What happens at night and day? What do you see at night sky? What do you see in day sky? Night is dark, day is bright. Why it is bright? Because that time the sun is seen in the sky. Sometimes we see clouds also. On the other side, at night time, we cannot see the sun. What we see then? We see only stars, lot of stars and moon. So without sun it is dark, with sun it is bright. When day in Bangladesh, what happened to the America? When day in Bangladesh, behind the map, it's a dark time. In America, it is a night time. Remember that what you see at night, what you see at night time, what you see at daytime. At night time, we see star and moon. At daytime, we see sun and cloud. I hope you are understand about this. Now I show you the stars. Look at the stars. It is big or small. When we saw our stars at night time, it looks very small. But it is not a very small planet. It is a big planet like a sun. Sun and stars also are planet. It is hot and glowing. It is hot and glowing. It has its own light. So from Earth we see the stars small because it is far, far away from the Earth. So what we get now for this lesson? We get sun and stars, both are planet. They are hot and glowing. The star looks small because we see from far, far away from the Earth. So the star looks very small. From the beginning, the chapter, I said the Earth and Moon is spinning round and round. How they spin, I want to show you now. Look at our model. This is a sun. This is a Earth and this is a Moon. What happened? Earth stands still in a same place with not moving any time. It sits still, but the Earth is moving slowly round and round around the sun. Look at here. Around the sun. Spins round and round around the sun. It takes a whole year to move around. Like saying the moon is a satellite. We can see different shapes of moon. Sometimes it's a full moon, sometimes it a half, sometimes it a crescent. On each day or beginning of the month of lunar months, we see the crescent moon. It continuously change his shapes, but Earth is round, always round. The sun is the same size. What happened? The moon spins around the Earth. Look at here. So the moon and Earth both are moving around the sun. This is the way it's traveled. Okay, I hope children you understand about the planets. We have lot of planets in our sky. Today we discuss about only sun, earth, moon and stars. I hope you understand. If you like it, you can subscribe me or give the likes. And I am very happy you are enjoying my YouTube channel. You are very good children to see my channels and like it. Thank you everyone to appreciate me and contact with me to see my videos.